channel. Today we have an exciting topic to discuss. The top 5 cloud technologies you should learn in 2023. Cloud computing has revolutionized the way businesses operate, and staying up to date with the latest cloud technologies is crucial for any aspiring IT professional or developer. So let's dive right in. Number 1. Amazon Web Services (AWS). AWS has been dominating the cloud market for years and continues to offer a vast array of services and solutions. By learning AWS, you gain expertise in building scalable applications, managing data storage, and leveraging artificial intelligence and machine learning tools. AWS certifications like AWS Certified Solutions Architect and AWS Certified Developer are highly valued in industry, making it an essential cloud technology to master in 2023. Next up, at number 2, Microsoft Azure. With its comprehensive suite of services, Azure has emerged as a strong competitor to AWS. By mastering Azure, you can gain expertise in building, deploying, and managing applications on the Microsoft Cloud Platform. Azure offers seamless integration with other Microsoft products and provides advanced capabilities in areas such as IoT, AI, and data analytics. Microsoft Azure certifications like Azure Administrator and Azure Developer are in high demand, making it a technology worth learning in 2023. Moving on to number 3, Google Cloud Platform (GCP). GCP offers a robust set of services and tools that empower developers to build scalable and reliable applications. By learning GCP, you can harness the power of Google's infrastructure and tap into services like BigQuery, Cloud AI, and Kubernetes Engine. GCP certifications such as Google Certified Professional Cloud Architect and Google Certified Professional Data Engineer validate your expertise and open doors to exciting career opportunities. Number 4 on our list, Kubernetes. As containerization gains momentum, Kubernetes has become the de facto orchestration platform for managing containerized applications. By mastering Kubernetes, you can effectively manage and scale applications across different cloud providers and on-premises environments. Kubernetes certification, such as Certified Kubernetes Administrator (CKA), demonstrates your proficiency in this technology and is highly sought after by organizations embracing containerization and cloud-native architecture. Last but not least, number 5, serverless computing. With serverless technologies like AWS Lambda, Azure Functions, and Google Cloud Functions, developers can focus on writing code without worrying about infrastructure management. Serverless architecture enables rapid development, scalability, and cost efficiency. By mastering serverless computing, you can design and deploy event-driven applications, leverage cloud providers, manage services, and reduce operational overhead.